Good morning, guys! Friday today. So, it's my linis day. Yan yung ginawa kong schedule eh. Kasi nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, ganun din yung schedule ko. Friday, naglilinis ako kasi Saturday ang uwi nila papa. Tapos ko nang i-wipe yung kitchen counters and stuff like that. Tapos dito din, yung sa TV na area. Tapos ko na din i-wipe. Look at this. Ito yung binigay sa akin ni Dan kahapon. So pretty. Nilagay namin siya sa vase kasi nasa bouquet pa talaga to kahapon eh. Pagdating niya kahapon, naka-edit ako ng videos. Kapag nag-hello na yun sa pinto, pumupunta talaga ako dun para salubungan siya. And kahapon, meron akong in-edit. Malapit na talaga matapos. So, tinapos ko na lang dito sa living room. May narinig akong parang plastic. Sabi ko, may package ba ako? Wala akong package. Flowers pala, nakakaloka. So, maglilinis lang ako. Hindi naman mahirap linisan. Mas mahirap nga linisin yung sa bahay namin kasi sobrang maalikabok. Dito, wala lang. Mag-vacuum lang ako. Yun lang muna yung gagawin ko. After that, today I will paint my nails as well because look at that. Hindi ko alam kung anong shade nito eh. Ito yung OMG na blue. Excited ako i-paint yung nails ko kasi diba may mga bago akong nail polishes na na-feature ko sa latest haul ko. Gagamitan ko siguro yung gray. So, yes, exciting! Tapos na ako maglinis. I-empty ko lang yung dishwasher. Ang aga pa, wala pang 12. And, saving yung video ko. Siguro yung ulam ko today, tuyo. Kasi na-miss ko yung tuyo. Ilang days na rin ako hindi nakakapagtuyo. Buti na lang talaga nakahanap kami ng tuyo. Hindi ko pa naubos yung nabili namin sa Manila Trading eh. So, yun pa rin yung kakainin ko. After nito, I will get ready. And then, eat lunch. Tapos, film. Sana. I'm planning to film the Q&A video, yung Ask Grace ko. I got a package today. May tinapon lang ako sa basura, tapos chinek ko yung mail namin. And I got a package. We'll see what it is. I'm pretty sure this is from outside Australia because merong customs thingy na nakalagay. This is really dangerous. Do not try this at home. Hello? Can I open you at all? Okay, what are you? Skin Deva 20% vitamin C plus E. Oh, I think this is the serum. Apply 2 to 3 drops to fingertips and smooth and to cleanse skin morning or night. Okay, so yeah, it's a serum, you guys. This is from Skin Deva. I will leave their links below. I'm excited to try this. I will try this later after kung meron pa siyang dropper. Oh, ang cute. Okay. That's that. Magluluto lang ako ng rice, tapos maliligo, and then, yes. Back at Kmart. Those are expensive. Glasses, 145. Dang. That's cheap? That's not cheap. I get my glasses for only 1,000 pesos. We're getting toys.
A toy.
A toy. Oh, okay. Just one.
Blankies.
Blankie. Yeah, I actually found it's 20 bucks. $2 for a man. That's not bad. My sissy would like this. Is it Boken? I think it is. That explains it.
Here we go. Get a little minion there.
Oh, yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah, sissy likes Minion. Miss, look at this.
Come to Australia, we'll get your minion.
How about this? Are these all? Oh, no. Okay. Come to Australia. 50 cents. 50 cents, babe. What is it?
That's crap. Wind up. Rubbish.
Ooh, a worm. Is that a worm?
That's
No.
a worm. Caterpillar.
Still. Here. Oh, pony! Pony. That's cute. Not for Eli though. How much is that? $3?
$3.
See, I
His
can't
head might be
relate.
too small for that, I reckon.
I think that's too big for them. What do you mean too small? It fits your face. We're getting this.
Yeah,
I mean, he is getting
I got
this.
one of those.
Just one? How about Maddie?
I was going to get Maddie I'll get. Do you think she'll want it? I was gonna give her a wand.
It's gonna be fun though for her to like unbox
Open
it.
Yeah, I think that's half the fun. I'll get two.
Okay. We're getting two.
There you go, Maddie.
For
Here
the
you go.
kids. We're getting it. $3. Well, how much was this?
$30. $30. Antonetta, I paid $30.
Look at this. So cute. $4. Mura. $5. So cute. Grabe sila kung mag-sale, no? Bongga. Where's Hugo?
Hello. I got your present, Maddie.
Oh yeah! Hi guys! 12 midnight na. Kararating lang namin. Hindi namin dinaasahan na magsistay kami sa bahay ng kapatid niya. Pumunta kasi kami sa bahay ng kapatid niya para lang sana, wala lang, para pumunta lang doon kasi yung mama niya nandun para bantayan yung mga bata. Kasi yung kapatid niya merong pinuntahan. And sila mag-asawa merong pinuntahan. And pinauwi namin yung mama niya kasi sobrang gabi na and wala pa sila. So, kami na nagstay doon and yeah, ngayon lang kami nakauwi. Okay lang naman kasi, di ba, wala naman kami ginagawa. That's what we did. Sobrang cute ng mga batang yun. Ang sarap alagaan. Anyway, I will just go ahead and wash my face and then I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Your car is dirty, babe.
And I might get it. I might get it washed as well. After we do.
Good morning! Good morning, guys. We're heading to the shops. We will go grocery shopping. Let's go. Do you have the list?
Yeah.
Nice. We're here. Coles.
You wanna buy some beer?
Sorry?
Do you wanna buy some beer?
Liquorland.
We might look at some beer.
I don't want beer.
I thought you wanted beer. You said you wanted beer.
I was joking. Well, some nights I really want beer though.
I might have a look. We'll have a look.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. I will just drink like this much. What's that?
Carl, tomorrow.
His favorite aisle. Chocolates, chocolates, chocolates.
One or two. Probably just one
That's-
later.
It's up to you. Just one for now?
No, we'll go two. They don't go off.
Right.
Long life.
They actually do.
Two.
Okay, what is this, babe? Coca-Cola Light.
Like healthier one, like no sugar at all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
Have you tried it?
Yeah.
They have like other Coca-Cola flavors, like
Pepsi.
what is this? Oh, Cold Spring.
Cold brand.
75 cents.
30
We're looking for ginger ale. Where? Oh, there.
Ginger beer?
No, not ginger beer. Canada Dry. They don't have it. I don't think they have it at all.
What's ginger ale?
Just ginger ale. It's a drink. The brand is Canada Dry. Just looking for shampoo. Oh, this is the one I wanted. And this is the one I got. Oh well. I've tried Corona. Which one do you like? We're here at the liquor store, by the way. Now let's not get any.
Not from here, but I reckon I wouldn't mind getting some.
Okay. Look at this nail. Just the center, like chip shop. Look at this guy. This guy's in a watch. Isn't that cool? So how much do you need? Like what change?
I want $10 coin.
Oh, okay.
So, $5.
We're gonna wash his car. So how much do you have to pay?
It's okay, $1 to, and you go high pressure roots. So you put the money in and press that.
Okay.
Fun brush.
Okay. Hi Hi guys! Kararating lang namin sa bahay. Hindi ako makapag-vlog masyado today. Yung last vlog ko was nagpunta kami sa grocery, yun lang. Na after that, nanood kami ng football. So yun, tapos after ng football, pinuntahan namin yung mama niya na naman. Nagbantay ng bata sa ibang bahay. Parang sa step brother niya, hindi ko sure. Basta, nagpunta kami doon, dumaan lang kami. And, yeah, yun yung nangyari today. Just football. Yung team niya, natalo, or should I say, yung team namin natalo. Pero it was fun. Kasi sobrang na-enjoy ko yung game na yun kanina. So, that's cool. Okay lang natalo sila kasi ang ganda din naman ng game. I'm not sure kung enough na ba yung clips ko. Sana okay lang. I will just wash my face. Tapos, what will I do? Siguro mag-edit ako ng video. Not really sure. We'll see what will happen. Bukas, pupunta kami sa bahay ng friend niya. Actually, kanina may na-meet na naman akong isang kaibigan niya. That was fun. And bukas, marami akong mamimit na kaibigan niya din. More tao pa. And not just kaibigan niya, yung best friend ng mama niya na-meet ko din today. So, that was fun. Napakabait nila. Kasi napakabait nilang lahat sa akin. And I'm really, really lucky. Hinugasan ko lang yung contact lenses case ko. And then, I'm gonna remove my contacts. I'm just gonna deep clean it. And then, put it back. I have been using the Skin Deva 20% vitamin C plus E na serum. So, ginagamit ko siya after ko i-wash yung face ko. And then, yeah, na-start ko siya gamitin siguro kahapon. Na-receive ko to kahapon eh. Meron siyang dropper na ganap na ganyan, no? So, it's just a serum. Nilalagay ko siya after ko i-wash yung face ko. Tapos, after na parang nag-set na siya sa mukha ko, naglalagay ako ng moisturizer. So, marami nga pala nagtatanong kung available ba yung Neutrogena na moisturizer sa Philippines. I'm actually not sure. Merong Neutrogena sa Philippines, that's for sure. Pero hindi ko alam kung yung naturals na line available doon. I'm pretty sure marami sa inyong may alam sa mga ganyan. I personally haven't seen one nung nandun ako. Let me know sa comments kung merong naturals na Neutrogena sa Pilipinas. Madaling mag-set tong serum na to, which is good. Sa lahat na nagtatanong kung okay lang ba si Ube, he's still alive. Alive and swimming. Mahina na siya daw. Like, hindi na siya gaya noon na parang bilis niya lumangoy. Ngayon parang hindi na ganun ka alive si Ube. So he's there. Can you see him? Hey, buddy. Move. Wala kami buong araw, so ngayon ko lang siya napakain. Ito, may 3 pang natira. Hindi na siya kumakain ng hindi na siya kumakain ng marami. See, nakakita niyo yung bukol? Laki ng bukol. Obvious na, hindi gaya noon na parang, see, ang hina na niya, diba? Tapos may bukol pa siya dito, oh. Diyan, can you see that? There. Diba? Kawawa. I should have enough clips now, so I'm just gonna close my vlog because I've been vlogging. He's eating. We're watching. No, I'm not really watching this. But what is this? What's on TV?
Iron
Cooking
Chef.
show. I Am Chef.
Iron Chef. America.
Iron Chef. Okay. Yeah. Nothing interesting. It's late at night, almost 11, and we will go to bed.
Not for a while.
Not for a while. We'll see. I think I'm tired. I'm not sure. I had coffee today when we were watching football, so I'm not sure. We'll see what will happen. Kagabi, sobrang tagal ko natulog. I think I slept around 2 p.m. 2 in the morning. Oh well. We're gonna close the vlog. Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Be good. Bye.